Hello again, let's jump right in. Let's read what I've written on this board. As you can see, I have square 1 and square 2. You can see the side length of square 1 is x, and the side length of square 2 is 2x. Now, let's go over to this board and read what I've written from question 1. The ratio of the side length of square 2 to the side length of square 1 is. Alright, so you can see that square 2 has a side length of 2x, whereas square 1 has a side length of x. So, 2x is really just 2 times x. So, the side length of square 2, 2x, is twice the side length of square 1. Alright, and by another video, you can see that determining this, we can write it as 2, 2, 1. So didn't draw it long enough. Alright, so let's just read through that. The ratio of the side length of square 2 to the side length of square 1 is 2 to 1. Alright, let's move on to question 2. The ratio of the area of square 2 to the area of square 1 is. Let's figure this out. Alright, again to this board. So, to find the area of a square, all you have to do is multiply the side length by the side length. Let's do that for square 1. So, the side length of square 1 is x. So, x times x equals x squared. So, let's write that over here. So, now we just figured out area equals x squared. And now let's apply that to square 2. Okay, now the side length of square 2 is 2x. So, it's just 2x times 2x. So, area equals 4x squared. Alright, so now we know that square 1's area is x squared and square 2's area is 4x squared. Alright, let's read the problem one more time. The ratio of the area of square 2 to the area of square 1 is. So, one thing we can also determine by looking at square 1 and square 2 is that 4x squared is really just 4 times x squared. And since the area of square 1 is x squared, it's really just 4 of those x squareds. So we can write that as 4, 2, 1. Alright, so the ratio of the area of square 2 to the area of square 1 is 4 to 1. And a visual thing that you can see how this is done is this. If this is just eyeballing it, but if I cut this equally into half, square 1 should be about one of these. So as you can see, 4 square 1s make up a square 2. So one thing you can learn from this is that when you multiply the side length of a square by 2, the area of that square quadruples. Thank you for working with me today.